Question number 21. National Epilepsy Day is observed across India on dash. Options: 18th November, 17th November, 15th November, 16th November, 14th November. Answer: 17th November. Possible questions: date 17th November, started by Epilepsy Foundation India. Note: along with this, we must know about National Epilepsy Awareness Month. National Epilepsy Month in November. Question number 22. The National Naturopathy Day is annually observed across India on 18th November. This year's edition is dash. Option: 5th edition, 4th edition, 3rd edition, 6th edition. Answer: 4th edition. Possible questions: date 18th November, started year 2018, started by Ministry of Ayush. Theme: Poshan Ahar and Rog Mukta Bharat. Edition: 4th edition. Question number 23. When is World Philosophy Day annually observed across the globe? Options: 1st Thursday of November, 3rd Saturday of November, 2nd Friday of November, 3rd Thursday of November, 3rd Friday of November. Answer: 3rd Thursday of November. Possible questions: date 3rd Thursday of November, but this year 18th November. Started year 2002. Started by UNESCO. Theme: different interactions of human beings with their social, cultural, geographical and political environment. Edition: 20th edition. Question number 24. World Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease Day is observed across the globe on option 19th November, 15th November, 17th November, 18th November, 16th November. Answer: 17th November. Possible questions: date every year observed on 3rd Wednesday of November, but this year 17th November. Started year 2002. Started by the Global Initiative for Chronic Obstructive Lung Disease. Theme: healthy lungs, never more important. Edition: 20th edition. Question number 25. Every year, Women's Entrepreneurship Day is observed across the globe on dash. Options: 15th November, 19th November, 16th November, 17th November, 18th November. Answer: 19th November. Possible questions: date 19th November. Started year 2014. Started by Women's Entrepreneurship Day Organization. Edition: 8th edition. Celebrated in more than 150 countries. Question number 26. What is the theme of World Toilet Day 2021 that is annually observed across the globe on 19th November? Options: urgent run, call to action on sanitation, when nature calls, valuing toilets, waste water. Answer: valuing toilets. Possible questions. Date: 19th November. Started year: 2012. Started by UN Water. Theme: valuing toilets. Question number 27. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin is celebrated as Awas Divas. It was launched in dash. Options: 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. Answer: 2016. Possible questions. Date: 20th November. Started year: 2016. Started by PM Narendra Modi. Edition: 6th edition. Question number 28. World Fisheries Day 2021 was celebrated across the world on options: 21st November, 23rd November, 24th November, 22nd November. Answer: 21st November. Possible questions. Date: 21st November. Started year: 2015. Theme: mixture of the fishing industry, nature and environment. Edition: 5th edition. Question number 29. World Television Day is observed across the globe on dash November since its first observation on dash. Options: 22nd 1997, 18th 1995, 21st 1997, 18th 1998, 23rd 1995. Answer: 21st 1997. Possible questions. Date: 21st November. Started year: 1997. Started by UN. Theme: increasing impact television. Question number 30. National Milk Day is commemorated every year in India on dash to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Verghese Kurian. Options: 29th November, 28th November, 27th November, 26th November. Answer: 26th November. Possible questions. Date: 26th November. Started year: 2014. Started by Indian Dairy Association along with 22 state level milk federations and Amul. Edition: 8th edition. Note: Dr. Verghese Kurian, known as the father of the White Revolution in India. He is also known as Milkman of India. Question number 31. Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas, is observed across India on 26th November to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India on 26th November dash. Options: 1949, 1969, 1959, 1953. Answer: 1949. Possible questions. Date: 26th November. Started year: 2015. Started by Government of India. Note: this day marks the 72nd anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution of India. Constitution Day is also known as Samvidhan Divas. Question number 32. The National Cadet Corps (NCC) celebrated its 73rd NCC Racing Day across India on dash November every year. Options: 4th Saturday, 4th Sunday, 3rd Sunday, 3rd Saturday. Answer: 4th Sunday. Possible questions. Date: 4th Sunday of November. This year, 28th November. Started by NCC. Question number 33. International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian people is observed across the globe by the UN on options: 27th November, 13th November, 28th November, 26th November, 29th November. Answer: 29th November. Possible questions. Date: 29th November. Started by United Nations. Question number 34. World Vegan Day is celebrated every year on which date to promote vegan diet? Options: October 1, November 1, December 1, November 21. Answer: November 1. Possible questions. Date: November 1. Started year: 1994. Started by Vegan Society. Edition: 77th edition. Question number 35. National Legal Service Day annually observed across India on 9th November. National Legal Service Day was observed by which organization? Options: Government of India, Human Rights Commission, Supreme Court of India, Supreme Court Bar Association. Answer: Supreme Court of India. Possible questions. Date: 9th November. Started year: 1995. Started by Supreme Court of India. Edition: 27th edition. Question number 36. International Men's Day is celebrated every year on dash. Options: 9th November, 19th November, 29th November, 19th October. Answer: 19th November. Possible questions. Date: 19th November. Started year: 1999. Theme: better relations between men and women. Option. Question number 37. National Ayurveda Day is celebrated every year on 2nd November on the occasion of Dhanvantari Jayanti since dash. Options: 2006, 2015, 2014, 2016. Answer: 2016. Possible questions. Date: 2nd November. Started year: 2016. Started by Ministry of Ayush. Theme: Ayurveda for Poshana. Edition: 6th edition. Question number 38. Uttarakhand Foundation Day is observed annually on dash to celebrate the formation of the 27th state of India. Options: 1st November, 7th November, 6th November, 9th November. Answer: 9th November. Possible questions. Date: 9th November. Started year: 2000. Started by Uttarakhand State. Edition: 22nd edition. Old name of Uttarakhand: Uttaranchal. Question number 39. Kerala Formation Day is celebrated every year on 1st November of every year. When was Kerala state formed? Options: 1947, 1958, 1956, 1946. Answer: 1956. Possible questions. Date: 1st November. Started year: 1956. Started by Kerala government. Note: before the formation of Kerala, it was under Madras, now Tamil Nadu government. This day is also known as Kerala Piravi Day. Question number 40. Karnataka Formation Day is celebrated on 1st November of every year. When was Karnataka state formed? Options: 1947, 1956, 1958, 1946. Answer: 1956. Possible questions. Date: November 1st. Started to celebrate: 1973. Started by Karnataka government. Note: Chief Minister Devaraj Arasu declared 1st November as the foundation of Karnataka in 1973. This day is also known as Karnataka Rajyotsava.